Hello everyone, I'm Yash from Ideabox Creations, and today in this video I'll show you how you can add a Twitter timeline on your website using the Elementor page builder. For this, make sure you have the Elementor page builder and the PowerPack add-ons for Elementor installed and activated on your website. Let's start adding our widget. For that, open the page where you want to add the Twitter timeline and make sure you open it using the Elementor editor. Now look for the Twitter timeline widget. Make sure you see the double P icon at the top right corner of the widget, so that means PowerPack's Twitter timeline. We'll be using this widget in this tutorial. Simply drag and drop the widget on the page. The first thing that we need to do here is to add the username or the Twitter handle of the account that we need to pull in the tweets from. Just simply type in the username and all the tweets will pop up right away. Further, you can change the theme of your tweets. You can go with light or dark theme. If you want to show the replies of the tweets, you can do that by enabling the show replies option. And for the layout, you can choose if you do not want to show the header, footer, border, or if you want the tweets to be transparent, and if you do not want to show the scroll bar. Just select the option that you want to follow and it will be removed. You can change the width and height of the widget, and if you wish to show a limited number of tweets in the widget, you can do that by adding the limit here. So for example, if I only want to show 10 tweets, I can just write 10 here and only 10 tweets will be displayed in total. Lastly, you can change the link color and the border color. Once you are done making all the changes, you can just go ahead and click on the update button and see the changes. This is what our Twitter timeline looks like. This timeline will automatically be updated once there are newer tweets from the account. So you do not have to refresh this tweet every time or do not have to make any changes further. The widget will automatically update it. Let me know what you think of the Twitter timeline widget of PowerPack Elements add-on for Elementor. If you guys found this video useful, do leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.